Uh-oh. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. So today's video is brought to you by Xrsbeauty. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay. Your girl got her pink Moscato on deck. Thanks, mama. And y'all just know I've been sipping already. Okay, listen. Ooh, that's sweet. Goodness. I haven't had my wine in 2 weeks, so you know, I missed it. Now, before we get into this install, just know this is a 2-in-1 texture. So I will be giving you guys the tea on this unit when it comes to the textures and the lace. So make sure you stay tuned for that. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Xrsbeauty. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out for yourself, you can. I already featured a unit like this from Xrsbeauty. However, there were some changes made to that unit, so here we go, okay? Like I said, this unit is a 2-in-1 texture, and it now comes with the crystal lace. On my video that I did back in October, I used the brown lace, and to be honest, that lace is pretty good for me. It blended down like a dream. Pretty sure I said in that video that was one of the best installs that I did on my channel to date, and I still stand by that. So what's the tea on this one? This one comes, like I said, in the crystal lace, which is better than the brown lace that you can see right here, because the brown lace only matches certain skin tones. Now, if you are my skin tone or darker, you can definitely rock the brown lace. However, if you are lighter than me, the brown lace is not going to give you that natural look. It's going to look real crazy around your hairline. So they did add this unit to the crystal lace series, which allows more skin tones to rock this wig. So as you can see right here, this is the difference in the lace. You have the brown lace, the transparent lace, and then the crystal lace. The brown lace, like I said, for me, melts down to my skin tone just as nice. The transparent lace with no product will come off as ashy, but you are able to add your products to it to blend it down to you. And then the crystal lace, I didn't need any product to blend it down to my skin tone, because once I sprayed it down, it pretty much was ready to go. However, as you saw in my install, I did use a little bit of my contour shade just to get the lace perfectly blended to my skin tone, because after all, this is not skin, it is lace. So there will always be a lot of demarcation that you need to blend down to make sure the unit is as seamless as possible to your skin tone and hairline. So that is how this unit is looking on me. And I did not wash this unit because, like I said, this is a 2-in-1 texture. So once I wet it, it will curl up. So I wanted to show you guys how this unit looks in its natural state when you get it. It definitely gives me a natural blown out texture. When it comes to the 2-in-1 texture units, you're not going to exactly get a kinky texture with a curly unit. You get what I'm saying? Because the units are processed to get that curl. So in order for that to happen, the textures of these units will not be as kinky as it would be be if it was a natural kinky straight unit. You get what I'm saying? I hope that makes sense. I did use my flat iron to press through the hair just a little bit to kind of, you know, just sleek it out just a tad. I wanted to make sure I wet this unit on camera for you guys so you can see how it looks on me, because right now I'm really feeling how this looking. Just like her sister wig, I was really feeling how the straight was looking on me, and then when I curled her, I was like, oh, okay. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and part this down the middle here with my little clip. Let me brush this side. Let me pull my sweater up. I don't wanna get all wet. Okay, I'm gonna get my water right here, and I'm just going to, please don't lift my lace. Please don't lift my lace. I'm gonna wet the hair like this. Now it takes about 2 minutes for this unit to, you know, curl up. So be patient. Uh-oh, not in my lace, not in my lace. Ooh, child. Let me get my little makeup towel right here. Don't judge me. I need to soak her down. So I need to put something right there. There we go, there we go. Then I'm gonna take some of my frizz-free curl mousse. Gonna put that, let's just put some product in the hair. Let's see what happens. Uh-oh. Got it all up in my sweater, Lord. Uh-oh. I hate when that happens, y'all. I don't know why I get so embarrassed when my glasses get knocked off my face. Do a little twist. That matter? I don't know. Okay, so it's curling up on the ends. Okay, okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait until this, you know, does what it does. Definitely would say it curled up more in the front once I started to diffuse it. That's cute. Okay. All right, let me take this down. Give the looks. Okay, give the looks. And you can straighten and wet this hair back as many times as you want to. It will still revert back every single time. Clearly, I can't show you 10 to 20 times of me doing that, but just know they said that it can do it. Okay, so hold us down. Okay, so I'm just going to take this and pin it back. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. I will say this side curled a lot better than this one, because this side I actually used a lot less water than I did on this side. So this side I used a little bit of water and mousse, and this one I pretty much drenched it in water and then topped it with the mousse. So let me go ahead and fix this real quick, and then I'm gonna put some mousse on her like that. There we go. See? There we go. Okay, so now that I fixed that, this is how we are sitting. Everything about this unit is A+. There's nothing to complain about with this unit. I mean, you may complain about the price, I mean, because you know, it's not cheap, but other than that, look at what you get for this unit. You get a 2-in-1 textured wig, plus a flawless hairline, bleach knots and plucked to the gods. Okay, listen, now like I said, the other one that I did, still a gorgeous unit. The brown lace fit me perfectly. This one pretty much gives me that same vibe, but I will say the lace on this one is a lot thinner. It was easier to blend, and because of that lace, you can definitely see the hairline a lot more, meaning it looks a lot more pre-plucked than the brown lace, in my opinion. Listen, Kenny officially comes home this weekend and your girl is ready. I may be wearing this joint for a little spice, you hear me? He do like me in curly wigs, so you know. And because this one got 2 textures, okay, the curly may get that action, you hear me? The straight, maybe not, but the curly, come on, Bush. Come on, Bush. Shout out one more time to XRSBeauty for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put my specs and the direct link for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.